Hi kittens. So today mommy's gonna be going through her hinge lights. Let's just get started. Let's just hop right into it, honestly. So mommy has 26 likes. So let's just go through them. So first we have Dorian, right? Okay, we gotta go through this quick. 22, 6'3". He's got a bottle of Hennessy and a broken arm. Next we have Ose. He's really tall. 6'4". Oh, he's Nigerian. I don't like African men. He looks familiar as hell. He looks very familiar, but no. Jack, are you a dog person because the elephant one? Wait, I wasn't ready for this face card. He's like hella cute, but he looks different in every photo. How tall is he? 5'10". Good part. He has an office job. Sometimes he smokes weed. Sometimes, yes, he drinks. Hi. Okay, next. I think we'd be good together. He's not exactly my type. I don't know. Okay. I love feet. Okay. Can I put them on your LMAO, why is it important to like feet? Well, David, if you don't know why it's important to like feet, then I don't know if we're a match. He's German. Aren't Germans like hella racist? You don't want my black ass. Why is it important to like feet? Because it proves whether or not you're a real. If you can't put my toes in your mouth and rub on them, then I just don't think we can be a match. Oh God, another Aiden. I do not like guys named Aiden. Is it a good beer book? Also friends. Okay, he goes to Purdue. Okay, he looks nerdy. I love a good nerd. Oh my gosh. Goes to Purdue. He looks sweet. Like super sweet. All right, now we have Peyton. Okay, first picture. He's my type. He's my type. He's my type. Okay. It's nice. He's so sweet. He looks autistic. Okay, maybe he's not my type. I don't know. He has mad potential. Let's just say hi. Oh, who is Darius? Oh my God, I can juggle. Wait, juggle me. Oh, he's in the army. Oh, I just know you cheat. He is finer than fine. He is finer than fine. You find us in the army. I know you ain't shit. Okay. Next we have Raymond. Tattoos aren't really my thing. Maybe a sleeve, but he has like face tats, so I'm gonna have to pass. Next we have Randy. These are sucking each other. He is so cute. Basically, when you get your toes sucked on. What's that? You have a soul. You are literally. He is cute. This is my type too. Okay. All this sounds great, to be honest. Hi, Alex. Would you rather Oh, he's cute too. He looks adorable. And he likes cats. How about he come purr in this cat? I'm glad you. So, Alex. Oh my god, wait, I'm about to fall out my chair. Let me calm down. If you know, hella fun person. Okay, great. Love to hear it. We're back recording. Why is this guy's name Israel? Okay. I just know he's not shit. Where's the pictures of his face? Unfortunate name. I can't moan out Israel. Kentwan? He looks scary. Oh! You're speaking my language, not the Trump part though. He's cute as fuck. Maybe he misunderstood. Oh God. Alex. Not my type. And feet, explain. James, I think that's a really like straightforward thing. Like it says and feet. Douglas, he's got a picture like him on there. Oh, he looks, I don't know, he gives like creepy vibes. My like girl senses are tingling, and this is giving like he's somebody's. So another Israel? What the hell is going on? Why do I got two people named Israel? Okay, he looks too nerdy for me. Just like the fact that none of his pictures got his face in it. Angel. Oh wait. Why am I getting like IS matches? Like St. Louis Hinge could never. Oh my god, he's cute. Looking like designer and the dessert. I said, come eat. This is why I can't get a boyfriend. I shouldn't be. What's wrong with Utah? Maurice. You're getting skipped because why is every picture his dreads are in his face? Every picture his dreads are literally in his face. Baby, can you see me? Jacob. He's not really my type. He's not ugly, but he's not my type. But he's not ugly. Cole. Is that a Kurapika? Okay. He didn't have me, but then he pulled out the Kurapika cosplay. And that one guy from Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh my god, Kurapika. Catch. Okay, I'm already thrown off because why is there a girl as your first photo? Now, maybe that's his sister, cousin, who cares? Maybe it's just a friend. But, like, babes, this is your page. Why you got, like, okay, no. Just, I'm sorry. Ray. He's not ugly, but he's not my type. I have like this innocent nerdy boy type, like that, or like this like earthy aesthetic. Like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. Diego. I don't know that Diego is necessarily my type. He looks very nice, very sweet, but there's just something about his like just kind of throwing me off just a little bit. But besides that, I went through all my likes. Okay, We had 2 people text me back during all that, which means they're probably whores, because why are you texting back that fast? That means you got your notifications on. And if you have your notifications on, you're either like really desperate or you're a whore. All right. So you basically want your toes to get sucked on. Okay. All right. I responded to them. Anyways, guys, we're out. I did my stuff. We're in my gothy aesthetic. And yeah, this is great to interact with all the kings. And let this be a sign, guys. If you're wanting to get on Hinge, don't do it. It's degrading. Every step of it makes you really want to. Yeah, guys, do what makes you happy. And if that's getting in goth attire, do it. Thank you, guys.